Welcome back to Flo's Kitchen. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not new, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make homemade fried chicken.
Oh, wait, that sounds good to me.
So let's jump right to it. These are the ingredients that you will need for this recipe. You need about 5 pounds of thawed out chicken. If you haven't watched my previous videos, you know I love to clean my meat with lime juice and vinegar. Here I'm going in with 1.5 cups of flour. All right, just like so. And then I'm gonna go and add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now the cornstarch is what will help this chicken be nice and crispy. All right, I do want to add that this is a Pinterest recipe, so this is my first time doing it. Okay, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me as I do it. And now I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. So all the seasonings that you see here, I'm putting 1 tablespoon of it. So 1 tablespoon of the onion powder, then 1 tablespoon of the paprika, then 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Well, I added 2 tablespoons of sea salt because all the others are powders and it doesn't have any salt. So the salt is what's gonna bring the saltiness to the meat. And then I added 1.5 cups of buttermilk. All right, just like so. Now, when I was mixing it, I did realize that it wasn't easy to rub everything throughout the meat, so I did add some water. I add about 1 cup of water, and you'll see when I do it. Here, after you have put everything on there, you want to make sure you rub all of that mixture on the meat. You want to make sure that all pieces of meat have the seasoning, all pieces of the meat has buttermilk. You want to make sure everything is well incorporated. All right, guys, just like so. Don't be shy. Rub it real good. All right. So now it's time to fry. One of the things that I noticed when I fried the first batch was that the grease wasn't hot enough. So I do want to mention that the grease has to be at least 350 degrees, or else that mixture will just come right off.
A few moments later.
This is the second batch. It was more crispier. I do want to mention that I noticed that the first batch was too wet, so I did add more flour and more more cornstarch for the crispiness. Okay, and then you want to let that chicken fry up for about 15 minutes. If you're frying inside of a big pot or a deep dish, or even a a deep fryer, you'll know that the chicken is done when it starts to float. That's how you know when you fry any type of raw meat, you'll know that it's cooked when the meat starts to rise up at the top. All right, so if it's still sinking to the bottom, you'll know that it's not ready yet. But if it rises up, you know it's perfect and ready to come out. So after I fried up everything, I did finish it off in the oven. I let it stay in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 more minutes, just to make sure that it was nice and crispy the way I wanted it. And that's it, guys. Beautiful, crispy chicken. Now, guys, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Turn on those notification bells, because I will be uploading videos at least once or twice a week. All right? Thank you for stopping by. Later.